Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to create an integration between Monday.com and Mailchimp. Yet again we are going to use Zapier.com, and since it's 2023 there are a couple of things that have changed on in the Zapier. So we need to yet again log in into our Zapier account or create a new one if you don't have it running. So we are logged in and we want to start on top left corner and click on create a Zap. I'm gonna click on create Zap. That means we are going to create the integration. On top left corner we can still name our Zap, so we are going to go with Monday and Mailchimp. That's it. And the face of Zapier.com, it's after a facelift, so everything looks more modern, more lighty. So first of all, we need to pick the trigger. The trigger will be Monday.com. Event, there's a new user option, so let's go with this one. It's just for a show. We hit continue. And now we have to pick the Monday account that we want to work on, or we want to integrate our workspace from. We got it, we hit continue, and now we can test the trigger between Monday and Zapier itself. So the Zapier knows that it can operate with all the permissions from Monday. Second, we have an action. The action, as you probably thought, will be Mailchimp. I'm gonna hit that Mailchimp option. Event, there's a bit more, I would say, more options from Mailchimp. So a new user in Monday will create, for example, it will create custom event. I know it's not a greatest option. There's with a trigger there are a couple of way more options, but let's roll with this one. Mailchimp account, let's log in, and then right now we have to set up an action. Write down audience, email address, custom event name, properties, and also the text. Those it's you to fill out. It's for you to fill out, then click continue, and the whole integration is done. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.